2015 SRX. The Cadillac SRX is beautiful from every angle. For driving enthusiasts, there's track-tuned handling, advanced engine power, and the added confidence of available all-wheel drive. Luxury lovers will delight in the new stylish handcrafted cabin. And for technology lovers, the list of high-tech features is just too long to list. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, OnStar, Bose sound system, backup camera, stability control, heated seats, traction control, navigation system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, dual airbags. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.